Good morning, everyone, or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the EEE Virtual Celebration for graduating students. And welcome to Wheatworth Hall, virtually. I'm Dr. Daniel So, the Discipline Head of Education in EEE. If you have not seen me before, I am the one who sent the number of emails over the past few months during the lockdown.
Yeah. Those very long emails, Daniel. Don't we miss them already?
Yeah, I know. I'm sick of those too. I'm sick of myself. Yes, by the way, with me, there is Dr. Ogi Mijanovic, our Director of Undergraduate, and one of our most popular lecturer, I'm sure you all will agree.
Oh, don't make me blush, Daniel. Hi, everybody. Hello.
So it's great to see you all here, and welcome everyone joining on Zoom or watching the celebration live on YouTube.
YouTube? We're live on YouTube now, are we?
Yes, we are. We are live on YouTube. I've never imagined myself going live on YouTube, to be frank. And we better be careful with what we say if we want to keep our job.
Oh, definitely. No silly jokes today.
Yeah, well, we'll try. We are also recording the event. So for those who cannot attend, they can also watch it afterwards. For everyone on Zoom, if you don't want to show your video or your lovely face, feel free to turn it off. The aim of this event is to come together and celebrate all your achievements in the past year and throughout your degrees. So this is by no means a proper graduation. And so this is not very formal, but the university will plan to have a physical one when the situation improves.
Yes, indeed. It would be great if we could be today with you guys together in a physical world to see you all dressed up in your gowns and congratulate you in person. But we are where we are, so we're doing it in this virtual form.
Yeah, indeed, it is a pity we can't be physically together, but still we can get together, come together virtually and celebrate together. So we all know the past few months have been exceptional and very difficult, and you all are amazing. You have shown your strong resilience and agility in dealing with the situation. These are very important life skills, actually. So for all of you who are graduating this year, you should be very proud of yourself. And I must say, thank you to all of you over the past few months for your patience and your understanding when the lockdown suddenly happens and we had to make so many changes in such a short period of time. And there were many things that back at that time we didn't have an answer. And you all happily waited patiently for the answer. We really, really thank you again.
Yes, I would also like to thank you very much for your understanding and your patience during this very challenging period.
Yes, indeed. So, okay, without further ado, I'm going to hand over to our head of department, Professor William Heath, to say a few words.
Thank you, Daniel and Ogi, and hello to all you graduates of the University of Manchester. Graduation is the most important and exciting day of the academic year. I love it. Normally it's an excuse to dress up in some archaic costume and to admire all you guys dressed up for the occasion and to give you a rip-roaring and hearty congratulations for your degree. As you can see, I'm not in any archaic costume this year. If anyone can see Dr. Carrasco, he is, but I don't think anybody else is. And I can't see if you guys are dressed up for the occasion or not. What I can do is give you a rip-roaring and hearty congratulation for all your achievements. Any degree from any EEE department is one of the hardest you can do. I think we all know that. And Manchester is proud to be among the best with a unique history and a unique relation to the history and development of engineering. You've shown that you can think conceptually, that you can analyze, you can plan, you can work hard, you can work in a team, you can communicate ideas, but above all, you can create. Now that said, you're a unique cohort who have overcome some very difficult circumstances, and it also shows your adaptability, your resilience, and your determination. I want to stress that the value of your degree is in no way diminished through getting through this year. If anything, it's enhanced. A Manchester degree in EEE, whether it's BEng, MEng, MSc, MPhil or PhD, is something to be immensely proud of, and it is of course recognised and valued by many, many stakeholders in all our society. You've now got the opportunity to go out and rebuild the world, and God knows it needs a bit of rebuilding at the moment. Wherever your career takes you, I hope you carry some of your Manchester and your EEE experience with you. As members of the department, we're judged on impact, and our biggest impact on the world is without doubt our graduated students. So please stay in touch, whether formally or informally, and whether directly or through a network of your peers. These celebrations don't mean the end of the relationship with the university. It's the start of a new and exciting chapter.
Thank you, Will. Thank you for the message. I hope you all will remember him for this lovely message, lovely speech, together with his numerical analysis lecture.
Yeah, I'm sure those lectures were very, very nice. Almost as good as circuit analysis, Will.
Yeah, all the students love it, I'm sure. So now we have a recorded message from the university's President and Vice Chancellor, Professor Dame Nancy Rothwell.
Hello, it's my great pleasure to welcome you to this virtual graduation celebration today. This is a time when we celebrate all your achievements, albeit in quite unusual circumstances. It's certainly a first for me as a way of marking your accomplishments. Thank you to all graduates whose magnificent achievements and hard work we're celebrating today. Not just your achievements over the last few months in these unprecedented times, but over the whole of your time with us at the university. I'm delighted you've been able to join or able to celebrate wherever you are with your family and friends. I'd like to thank them all for the support and encouragement they've given to you during your studies, which has been so important to your successes. When you decided to study at the University of Manchester, you chose to make a major investment in your future, an investment that began to pay dividends almost as soon as you arrived. During the course of your studies, you will have gained the skills and knowledge to help you find success in future years. And more recently, you've proved even greater ability with your resilience and versatility in the face of a global transformation of our everyday lives and learning. Although you may be glad to see the back of assignments for now, the planning, research and writing skills you deployed and nurtured will be of great value in the world of work, or perhaps during further study. The way you've balanced commitment to academic life with other interests and the many competing distractions this great city of Manchester offers will help you find a work-life balance as your career and your future unfolds. And of course, we must not forget the strong supportive friendships and relationships you've forged here, which I hope will sustain for many years to come. Put simply, your achievement in completing your degree cannot be overestimated for its value and the strong platform it gives you to build your career and achieve your goals. Manchester is already one of the finest universities in Europe, and we're determined to become one of the very best in the world. With around 170 nationalities on campus, the University of Manchester is already a truly global institution, and one which will remain so, valuing its European and international staff, students and alumni. So, armed with your academic success, your skills and your breadth of experience, there is every reason to be positive about the future. Your job prospects, having studied here, are enviable because employers all around the world recognise the value of the award you gained this summer. Obtaining your degree is a hugely important milestone, and you should celebrate your success. Though it might not be in quite the way you had envisaged, it's still a remarkable achievement. But this is the beginning of the journey and your association with Manchester, not the end. The return on your investment continues way beyond today. Our career service continues to offer you help and support for 2 years, and you can continue to make good use of our world-class libraries. The Alumni Association will help you to remain in contact with the university, linking you with a community of more than 500,000 Manchester graduates living and working across the globe. So we sincerely hope today will not be your last contact with the university. And remember that our doors are always open to you. Can I wish you every success in your future careers and every happiness in your future lives. Do come back and see us when you can. Thank you.
Thank you. And yes, indeed, our doors are always open for you lot. So a really important part of recognizing your achievements is giving out our department awards for students who have made exceptional achievements. I'm pleased to say that even though we weren't able to physically be together today, we are still able to announce the names of this year's prize winners. And to do this, I'm going to pass over to our Director of Undergraduate, Dr. Ognjen Mijailovic.
Thank you very much, Daniel. Hello, everybody again. So I will be announcing a number of different prize winners today. Unfortunately, we're not able to physically applaud, but I would appreciate if you guys could click on this reactions button, either thumbs up or the actual applause button, which you might be able to see, to congratulate the prize winners. So without further ado, I would like to start firstly the EEE third year department prize awarded to this student for their outstanding contribution to the department during their time as a third year undergraduate. They are commended for their work as a co-chair of EEE Society in 2018-19 and their contributions to the department both in recruitment and their work as a student representative. And this prize goes to Udit Srivastav. Well done, Udit. Right. Next, the third year department project prize awarded for the best project of the year on the BEng course. And this year, this prize goes to ULU, whose project was entitled Short-Term Traffic Flow Prediction Using Deep Learning. Congratulations, Yue. Well done. The next award is the third year department project prize for 2018-19, awarded for the best third year project of the 2018-19 year. And this year, this prize goes to Christopher Walsh, whose project was entitled Solution Processed Ultra Low Voltage Thin Film Transistors. Well done, Chris. The next prize to be awarded is the third year third prize in recognition of the fact that this student were awarded the third highest overall mark in the third year, which is a great achievement. This prize goes to Emmanuel Andropoulos. So well done, Emmanuel. Now, the third year second prize for the student awarded the second highest overall mark goes to Alkinus Sarioglu. Well done, Alkinus. And the third year first prize for the highest overall mark goes to Yining Zhang. Congratulations, Yining. Okay, so we now go to the fourth year project prize in recognition of the fact that this team achieved the highest score during their final year of their MEng degree with a project titled Autonomous Minesweeper Robotic Scanner for Humanitarian Demining. And this year, the recipients of the prize are Team 7, Chloe Alexander, Ishan Godawata, Amy Hamilton, Dionysios Malas, Hasib Malik, and William Stevenson. Well done to all of you guys. We all know how challenging fourth year project is. It's meant to take half of your fourth year time, and it's also half of your fourth year assessment. So well done on this great achievement. The fourth year department prize recognizes a student's contribution to the department during their time as a fourth year undergraduate student. This prize is awarded to a student who has contributed hugely to visit days and open days, even delivering webinars during lockdown to our future students. And I'm delighted that this winner of this prize is Hasib Malik. Congratulations, Hasib. And thank you so much for helping both me, Joaquin, and many of our colleagues during the various student recruitment and conversion activities. Thank you. Next, we have the fourth year third prize for the student with the overall third highest mark of the year. And this year, this award goes to Arthur Collier. Well done, Arthur. So next is the fourth year second prize, and for the second highest overall mark of the year, and is awarded to Amanda Werasinger. Well done, Amanda. And the fourth year first prize for the highest overall mark of the year goes to Noor El Ghazawi. Well done, Noor. Quite an achievement. So the next prizes to be awarded are for the Advanced Electrical Power Systems Engineering course, the MSc course, and the Top Student of the Year award for the best overall performance across both year 1 and year 2 of this 2-year MSc course goes to Andrei Popescu. Congratulations, Andrei. Well done. Staying with the same Advanced Electrical Power Systems Engineering MSc course, Research Excellence Award for the best research performance for Year 2 project goes to Wenju Li. Well done, Wenju. And the final Advanced Electrical Power Systems Engineering Prize is the Academic Paper Champion Award. This is awarded to the student who produced the best academic paper, and this prize is awarded to Siyi Wang. Well done, Siyi. We would also like to now congratulate the graduates from our department who have achieved the Stellify Award. This year has been a particularly challenging one, and therefore this achievement is even more impressive. We are particularly proud that so many of you have taken part in Stellify activities during your time at university. You have embraced many different opportunities, broadened your horizons, examined and challenged real-world issues, led and supported your peers, and made a difference in local and global communities. So the EEE students who will graduate with the Stellify Award are Mohammad Al-Shimari, Yuju Fu, Ishan Godawata, Mark Ilsinski, and Dominic Tatakis. Well done, guys. So with this, it concludes today's prize giving. I would like to congratulate to all the winners, and I would like to say well done to all of you. And my message to all of you is, if you find yourself in a cafe or bar or restaurant and a stranger comes across and asks you what you do, you can simply tell them what other engineers built, I make intelligent. It's been a pleasure to teach you, and I salute you. All the best, guys. Thank you.
Thank you again. Congratulations again to all the winners. You really, it's a prize that you all well deserve. Very well done. And we wouldn't want to host a celebration without hearing from you, the graduates, of course. So now we have a message from one of the EEE Class of 2020 and the co-presidents of the EEE Society in 2019-20, Ishan Gadawata.
Hi everyone, my name is Ishan Godawatta and I am a master's graduate in mechatronic engineering. During my time in university, I've undertaken multiple positions of responsibility, my most recent one being president of the Electrical and Electronic Engineering Society. As an international student, moving to the UK was a big change. I missed my family, my friends, my culture, and not to mention the weather. But I soon met others like me from different backgrounds and different experiences, yet put in the same circumstances as I was. And thanks to the heartwarming support by the University of Manchester, with time we grew together and Manchester became our second home. I remember being welcomed by Dr. Oggies and Professor York's enthusiastic first-year lectures on circuit analysis and digital systems design. I recall the freezing nights in Barnes Wallis when the heaters failed and we had no choice but to work there as the computer cluster had software that was unavailable anywhere else. Walking into the entrance hall on the morning of the Embedded Systems Project race day and joining the group of frustrated engineers fixing their PID algorithms was enthralling. I had mixed feelings about the iconic yet grim Sackville Street building, but after spending most of my fourth year working there, I admit that it is a place I may miss more than any other during my time at university. And finally, we all celebrated together at the end of the year EEE Spring Ball, where Dr. Darkin unsurprisingly won Best Dressed Male for many years in a row. I thank my family, my friends, my supervisors, and my peers for the support they have given me. On behalf of the graduating class, I would also like to give special thanks to the Department of EEE. It is strenuous to rapidly change plans to correlate with government and university regulations, but the department did so successfully, all the while keeping us students updated and ensuring the high standard of education was maintained. Finally, I address my fellow graduates, batch of 2020. Congratulations! Today, we join one of the largest global alumni communities of over 500,000 University of Manchester graduates. But what makes our achievement special is that we have graduated whilst handling a pandemic at the most crucial point in our degrees. We have set a precedent for future graduates to follow, and hopefully with time, we can look back on these days as a reminder of how we handled adversity. For those of us struggling with job placements, further study, or uncertainty about the future, I end my segment with words of hope. To quote the 2006 movie Rocky Balboa, life is about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. A third of 18 to 24-year-old employees have lost their work placement since March, but statistics show that the situation is improving. So we must have faith, a little bit of patience, and trust in our abilities as we go out there and succeed in our careers. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Ishan, for the great message. It's really, really good. And I think this echoes with a lot of the memories of our students and probably academic staff and all the staff in the department as well. How lovely the heating in several rooms and how bright our buildings are. It's really, really good. So thank you for the message. And also a big thank you to those who ran the EEE Society and those who contributed, because without you, we wouldn't have the EEE Society. We wouldn't have that many events that students can join and participate. Really, thank you all.
Yes, absolutely. EEE Society has over the years been absolutely critical in enhancing overall student experience with providing plenty of different informal and social interaction events, such as football tournaments, pub quizzes, joint Halloween party with those other engineering departments. Unfortunately, this year we didn't manage to have a ball, which EEE Society would organize, but hopefully you guys have been present at balls from previous years.
Yes, indeed. And also what you have done now will be passed on to the future years. So this tradition will keep going. Thank you all. Next, we have a couple more messages from people who would like to personally congratulate you. First is our own Professor Peter Green, Peter R. Green. He was the head of education for the School of Engineering and is now the Vice Dean of Teaching and Learning in the Faculty of Science and Engineering. And after that, it is a message from Professor Alice Larkin, head of School of Engineering.
Hi, everyone. Just like to offer my personal congratulations to you all for everything you've achieved in what's been a really difficult year. I've been really impressed with the resilience that you've shown and how you've supported each other. There's been a lot of good humour, including the feedback on my choice of wallpaper when I've been lecturing from home. So well done. I wish you and your family all the best. I really do look forward to being able to pass on my congratulations in person at a future graduation on campus in Manchester. So all the best. Well done.
Hello everyone, my name is Professor Alice Larkin and I'm the Head of School of Engineering here at the University of Manchester. Despite the fact that I don't get the pleasure of seeing you all this summer, it is a great honour as the Head of School of Engineering to wish you all huge congratulations with your achievements. As a Mancunian myself, I share the connection that I'm sure you all feel strongly with Manchester, and one that has been challenged in a physical sense as we all face this 2020 global crisis. Nevertheless, the skills and experience that you have gained at our great university and city, and indeed the resilience that you've shown over the past few months, will provide a unique launchpad for you to embark on the next stages of your life. Your connections with Manchester are embedded now, and I'm sure they will continue to influence you for many years to come. In graduation ceremonies, I talk to students about how engineering and computer science have never been more important, with global challenges such as climate change, material resource constraints, or global poverty, all requiring your curiosity, problem-solving, design, and analytical skills. But this statement has gained gravity, and as I hear myself saying these words, I know that constructing and developing a post-COVID-19 world will need you, your skills, your experiences, and your insights now more than ever. Your achievements that we are celebrating underline the opportunities that you will take with you from Manchester into the wider community, industry, and society to play your part in building a better, more resilient world and in making a difference. So I wholeheartedly wish you all the very best for the future.
Thank you, Peter and Alice, for the message. And I really found Peter's wallpaper is one of the best wallpaper in all the staff at EEE. I'm sure you all will agree. And now we, as EEE staff, we have put something together to say congratulations to you all and to show how proud we are of what you have achieved. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this short video from all of us.
Congratulations! Congratulations!
Wow, I love Judith's magic video. How did she shake it to try to make it into to make it back to the words EEE? It's really, really good.
Yeah, just great to see so many smiling and enthusiastic academics in one place, isn't it?
Yes, that's really good. I hope you all liked the video. And as we are nearing to the end of the celebration, we would like to invite you all, staff and students, graduates, to unmute yourselves and give yourself and your fellow graduates a huge cheer and round of applause for your achievements. Well done.
Woo! Woo! Congratulations!
Yes, congratulations, everyone. So all that remains to say is a huge thank you all for being here today. We're really glad we are able to celebrate together virtually from around the world. We really hope that we'll be seeing you in person at your graduation ceremony in the real virtual Whitworth Hall, not the virtual one here. And but until then, a huge well done, huge congratulations, our best wishes from all of us in Tripoli to you. Thank you for coming.